to all you beautiful painting peeps. Welcome. It's Kathleen again from COZ Creations. Just trying to stay busy, guys. And you know what? Nothing better than staying busy in your happy place, the no bra zone. I wanted to show you this. I think I might have shown it to you before, but I just framed it and I put it in a deep frame. It is not a thick canvas, but I put it in a deep gallery wrapped canvas frame and I love it, and I'm getting ready to display it with all my other beautiful artist peeps paintings that I have acquired over the past 10 months. This is by wonderful Gail Burston, My Life in Splatters. And if you haven't checked out her YouTube channel, guys, please do. She's not only a wonderful creative artist, but a fantastic photographer and a really good person. So go check out Gail and do me a favor, tell her I sent you and give her a hug from me. But this is my beautiful bird that she sent me, and I'm so grateful. Love you, Gail. So let's talk about what I'm doing today. Oh, a long while back, I did a little painting. I just hand painted. It was before I discovered acrylic pouring, and it was kind of just a cool abstract painting of a tree, and it was done in a lot of neutral colors. And then I had my handy dandy Rick put it on a burlap frame, kind of like what you see here. So I thought to myself, you know what, I'm gonna do it again. So that's what I'm doing today. This is a Master's Touch 12 by 16 canvas. First time using one of these, so I'll let you know how it does. And this is a 16 by 20 burlap canvas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint on this fella, and if I'm happy with it, Rick will secure this to this canvas, and when I hang it up, it'll have like a really nice two-dimensional kind of raised look to it with a nice burlappy background. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get this guy out of our way. And I'll certainly post a picture of it or share it with you once it's all done. Let's talk about our colors today. Our base coat is going to be Rust-Oleum Metallics, and this is the Champagne. The eagle has landed, my friend. A very sweet woman sent me a box of 3 or 4 of these, as well as the pearl. And I'm almost done with this guy, but I have put it to good use, darling. So thank you. Good paint, guys. Lowe's. I don't think Home Depot offers it, but Lowe's does, as well as Amazon. Now it's $22 for this big old jug, but I've used it for about 6 pours, so it really goes a long way. So imagine this jug in a bigger jug with 3 of these jugs of pouring medium, and that is a lot of paint for $22, so it's not a bad price. Our colors today are going to be Sargent's Art Liquid Metal, and I've only used this one before and it did real well, so I figured I'd give it another try. Our next color is Deco Art Metallics, the 24 karat gold. Our third color is Master's Touch Thick Body Acrylic, and this is the Burnt Sienna. And it is very pretty. A friend of mine gave me this, and I usually don't use heavy body paints, but one of my painting peeps reached out to me yesterday on my channel because I had a hard time mixing them up. But honestly, I was mixing an old tube of Arteza that had sat down here in my workspace over the winter months, and it got kind of cold, so I think it was maybe a defective paint. but I put a little bit of pouring medium, just a smidgen, in my cup, added about an ounce of the heavy body paint, added a little bit of pouring medium, stirred, a little bit more pouring medium, stirred, and it came out really, really well. So don't be afraid of heavy body paints, guys. There's so many glorious colors out there, and they go a long way. So that's that color. This delicious, yummy color is about an ounce of the Dazzling Metallics Rich Espresso and just a couple of drops of the Golden Iridescent Bronze. I love these two colors together. So if able, guys, give them a try. Now, I'm on the fence with this, but this is my Unicorn Spit, and this is the Midnight Blackness. And the painting that I did with this as a base coat did dry very, very well. So far so good on the Unicorn Spit. Somebody reached out to me and said she only mixes it with water because it doesn't play well with pouring mediums. Well, I mix mine with my pouring medium, 75% Floetrol to 25% GAC 800, and it did just fine. So this has got my pouring medium in it, but I'm on the fence whether or not I'm gonna use the black. And then our final cup, guys, is a little bit of our base coat, which is the Rust-Oleum Metallics Champagne. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on for y'all because my next door neighbor's getting ready to mow his grass and I don't wanna subject you to that. I'm gonna prepare my cup. I don't know what I'm doing yet, guys. I'll know here in a few minutes. I'm gonna sit in my little chair and noodle over it, and I'll be back with you. Guys, be safe, be well, be happy, stay busy. Wishing you all the best. Thanks as always for being here.